This 2021 East to West Della Terra 261 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used east to west is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, awning, stove top burner, LP detector, leveling jacks, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 East to West Della Terra 261 RB is 6,473 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.